Now this is one of the interesting exhibits at the museum. This is the Avro Anson T.21, which was well known as the RAF's taxi during World War II. It served as a liaison aircraft which was used to ferry personnel from one place to another, and also as a flight crew trainer. This particular example, a 1949 era T.21 variant, was modified to conduct navigation training and was fitted with a topside astrodome bubble. While this may not strike many as a particularly exciting aircraft, despite its crucial role in bomber crew instruction, its near skeletal form highlights some of the very important renovation and preservation work that is going on all over the Yorkshire Air Museum. All around the airfield, its hangars and buildings, there are many exhibits which are in varying states of repair and maintenance, with the hope that they may eventually be returned to something like their original condition. This is a tremendously difficult task for the museum and its volunteers, as all of this work is based on the generous donations gifted to them by the public. Hopefully one day the museum's Anson will be returned to looking something like this reference picture of an already renovated T-21 that was operated by the now sadly defunct Classic Air Force Museum. Thanks for watching my little video, and as usual I'd love to get some feedback, even if it's just to tell me what I'm doing wrong.